Welcome to today's video, which is HTML markup meaning, the essentials. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, was developed in the early 90s by Tim Berners-Lee, who worked at CERN. It had scientific purposes. It became the foundation of the web as we know it. Fast forward to today, it is the base of the World Wide Web, and it's a core technology for building web applications. So, what is HTML really? Well, it's always the output of content management systems such as WordPress and other online options and web applications, which means that in your browser, you'll always see HTML basically. It's usually mingled with CSS3 and JavaScript, which are friendly languages that help to make it look more pretty, and the other one gives it the ability to be interactive. And it's also an opportunity for marketers. What can you do with it marketing-wise? Well, you can style text and images in your content management system without asking the developer. You can see your changes immediately, which makes your work easier. You can design branded or unique HTML emails. You can create websites directly, and you have the increased ability to direct website creation, or it means that your input is really valuable in the creation process. And of course, you can get into digital marketing in a deeper and more effective way, such as understanding and performing technical search engine optimization, so you can understand exactly what's happening under the hood. So, what does it mean? That you can make your website faster, you can see where the problems are, you can check the link validity, etc. Now, this is an example code. I'm running it inside VS Code, which is an industry standard to make websites, create code, and it's mostly everything you'll need to create the code. And after a while, after you get the basics, it's self-explanatory, where each part belongs to an insight of mine. So it's the gateway language for stuff that will give you more freedom and profit in your marketing. For example, you get used to code to change a little bit snippets of text, of configuration files, and then the technical side gets easier and easier. It also makes you acquainted with new technologies and how the web works, giving you new ideas for products and services. Let's say that you build bridges, so a deeper understanding of physics makes your work more effective, and the same's happening here. It makes you more nimble and effective. For example, if you're pasting a tracking code, you don't have, again, to wait for the developer to do their job. You can get up to speed really fast. Well, it's easy to wrap your head around it, and you can do something visually relatively fast. You don't need to learn everything about HTML to be practical. You can learn as you go, and you can always be effective. Now, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See ya!